Welcome to Behind the Orders. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the family court process in Western Australia? We know it can feel like learning a new language, and you are not alone. That is why Brief.Case.com.au is here to simplify your journey, starting with your essential filing guide. First, before we start, please note that this video provides general information and examples for educational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice. Family law is complex, and we always strongly recommend seeking independent legal advice tailored to your specific situation before filing any documents. Navigating the family court in WA begins with crucial first steps. You need to identify your role. Are you the applicant starting a new case, or the respondent replying to one already filed and served? This defines your main starting form, either the Form 1, initiating application for applicants, or the Form 1A, response to initiating application for respondents. Beyond your initial form, your case type dictates further essential documents. If your case involves children, you'll need a case information affidavit. If there are any allegations of child abuse or family violence, the Form 4, Notice of Child Abuse and Family Violence, or RISK, is mandatory. For financial matters, the Form 13, Financial Statement, is crucial, detailing all your financial circumstances. Sometimes, a general affidavit is also needed for specific factual evidence. A key takeaway: many of these critical documents are affidavits. This means the information you provide is sworn or affirmed to be true. Accuracy and honesty are paramount, as providing false information carries serious consequences. Our guides show you how to ensure your information is factual and compelling. Avoiding common mistakes is vital. We highlight pitfalls like failing to provide full and frank disclosure, filling affidavits with opinions instead of facts, or missing strict filing deadlines. Our essential filing guide helps you spot and avoid these errors, ensuring your documents are completed and filed correctly. This video is just a quick overview. Our comprehensive Western Australia Edition guides provide step-by-step instructions for each form, practical examples, top tips for success, and clear explanations to empower self-represented litigants like you. We cover everything from reviewing your documents thoroughly to understanding service requirements and strict time limits. Speaking of affidavits, you might be asking, what exactly is an affidavit and why does it matter so much? That's a fantastic question, and it's precisely what we'll explore in our next episode, coming soon as part of Stage 1 of the WA edition. We'll demystify this critical court document, explain its importance, and give you key insights into making yours count. Don't navigate the complexities of family court alone. For your complete essential filing guide and to delve deeper into key concepts like affidavits, visit www.briefmycase.com.au. Empower yourself with the knowledge you need. That's www.briefmycase.com.au. Thanks for watching Behind the Orders. Make sure to like the videos and subscribe. If you find the videos helpful, share with a friend. Until then, watch out for what is behind those orders.